Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a double tourniquet grouped bar chart with standard deviation in GraphPad Prism software. Okay, this is a data set for the double tourniquet grouped bar chart with the standard deviations. So the first of all for the two samples we take, the first one for the sample A and sample B and 3 time replication for the each samples. So the water parameter for the hardness, turbidity, temperature, dissolved oxygen and pH. So this data copy paste to the GraphPad PSM software. So open the GraphPad PSM software, go to the grouped column. So the data table, enter the first one option selected, enter or import data into a new table, and the options selected to the second one, the enter 3 time replication value in side by side subcolumns. So your data in 5 time replicated, so they use 5 time and 3 time replication self for the 3 time. Our data is 3 time replicated, so selected for the 3 time replicated. Then click to the create button. Okay, open the worksheet for the GraphPad PSM. Now the copy the data, the only the data copied. So the copy and the select the cell and paste the data. Paste data. So the group column added to sample A, the next one for sample B. Okay. Now the created for the bar graph with the standard deviation for GraphPad PSM software. So the use the options for the creating a new graph of exiting the data. Click the button, then open the new tab, the creating a graph, the kind of graph selected for the grouped column and selected for the summary data and selected for the separate bar graphs. The second one for the summary data, the separated bar graph and selected for plot mean with the standard deviations. Then click the OK button. Okay, they created for the bar graph with the standard deviations and the temperature and DO and pH also the variable is kind. So the how to view on this data, the helpful for this graph the created in the tourniquet options. So the selected for the options for the format access. Click the option. Okay, open the new tab for format access. Go to the left y-axis. This is for the left y-axis and select for the gap with the direction options and selected for the 3 segments. Okay, they created for 3 segments. The first one for the segment the bottom and center and top. So the first customized for the bottom options. Then enter to the minimum value 0 and maximum value 40. Okay, then apply. Okay, the next one created for the center of the value. The center of value minimum for 100 and maximum value 500. Then apply. Okay, the third one for the options added to the top and the value for 5000 to 6000 or 7000. Okay, I added to the 7000. Just apply. Okay. Now the created for the plain frame for the graph. So the first one options is it for the frame and origin options. So the select the options, go to the frame and the grand line options and selected for the frame line options and the plane frame. Then apply. Okay. Okay, now the customized for the our the graph, the bar graph with the color and border lines. The before increase for the graph size. So the rise graph option use and click to the large. Okay, our graph view visible there very clearly. So the delete the title and delete the xs title and also the yx title. Use the del key. Okay. before the customized for the y-axis. So the same option selected for the format axis option. Okay, go to the left y-axis and the selected for the bottom options, the matrix 20. Then apply. Okay, the next one for the top, the center options and added to 200. Okay, and the next one for the top of segments and the matrix value, then 400. 500. 6. Change to the 600 and added to 400. Okay, and the customized for the bar graph color and the border. So the cell for the format graph options. Okay, the open the format graph options. This is for the selected for the sample A. This is sample A and this is for the sample B. So the data set first one view for the sample A. So the appearance for the bar and plot for the mean with the standard deviations. The next for the bar option change to the color. Then green color I selected. Then border with 1. And the error bar options also the change to the black color. And the style and above also the no changes and thickness with 1. Then apply. Okay. The next one graph or next one for the sample for the B. Then how to change for the sample B? Use for the arrow key in the B. Select the sample B or another one options for the the use for the less than higher than keys. So the first of previous data for A and the next one data set for use the higher than key. So the you change to the sample B and the color change to the orange and border with 1 and also the error bar thickness also 1. Then apply. Okay, this is for the graph double truncated and change to the font for our graph. So the cell for the whole graph before move to the legend options in the graph inside. So the move graph. Okay, they select the whole the graph and go to the font options and select to the time Roman and the font size for the 12. 14, change to the 14. Okay, and this is for the double truncated bar chart with the standard deviation in GraphPad Prism software. Okay, this is remove for the bold options. Okay, the all the bold options removed. Okay, this is a graph for the double tourniquet bar chart with grouped bar chart with standard deviations. If you any doubt on this video, then leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. And if you like this video, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to our YouTube channel membership. And you try to practice of this graph, the graph template file upload for and link also the our telegram channel. The telegram channel link mentioned to the video description box. Thank you for watching this video.